Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video an opportunity where you can make income from 3 different avenues. Guarantee sales has a video, check that out. Sell your data has a video, check that out. Refer and earn as affiliate program, check that video out. If you're interested in this opportunity to possibly generate extra income for yourself, then definitely sign up. Full disclosure, I'm an affiliate of this product, so if you do become a client and a paid client on top of that, and start to generate income, I will receive a commission from your efforts. And so when it comes to doing affiliate marketing uh, or selling of any kind, you must have a disclaimer on your website, or your blogs, on your posts, on your articles, or anything when it comes to you trying to sell a product or service by using links in the form of doing articles and uh, blog posts and videos or whatever the marketing strategy is. If you have links that's connected to you making some type of income, regardless if you own a product or not, you must fully disclose that. And I normally do it written as well as verbal inside the videos that I do. And so inside of my portfolio of different income streams. I'm on 2 sides of the spectrum. I'm retail versus service based. So I do both. I'm a service based business entrepreneur as well as a retail. Been doing retail for at least 15 years, service based for the last 21. And so when it comes to different ways of generating income, that's why I'm in both categories, retail as well as service. And so I have different service-based opportunities that I sell that I don't promote all at one time because it makes no sense to do that, as well as retail and affiliate marketing items and products and services that I do that's separate and segment away from what my primary business is. If you're familiar with my channel, my primary message is coaching for women who are looking to start their own tax preparation business. And so right now I'm doing a special. Well, my coaching program is normally $2,000 one-time payment or 4 payments of $500 each, spread it over 6 months. Right now, I'm doing a one-time special that will end on April the 18th of $799 one-time payment for my full coaching program, which gives you tax preparation training, professional software training, basic marketing training and strategies, uh, along with help you set up your front end and back end of your business concerning tax preparation and taxation. 18 months access with me on an annual 12-month basis. 6 months of that is an additional bonus that I give. That's why it's 18 months, but it's an annual coaching program. So every 12 months, if you decide to stay, you'll pay a one-time payment or you'll make the payment option plans based on what I have during that time frame. So again, full disclosure, affiliate of this product right here. I have a portfolio of different things that I do online to generate income from the retail space as well as the service-based business space. And so if you're looking to generate extra income and you're not sure what that look like or what you want to do, but you might have some ideas that you're curious about, and you want to go deeper and learn more on how you can bring that to life using the internet, then definitely reach out to me with my contact information, which gives you permission to call me because that's the reason why I use my contact information in all my videos because it's implied that if you need to contact me or you have the willingness to contact me where we can talk, chat, connect, and see if we're a good fit for working together, then you have that option. And so when it's all said and done, don't let your inability to take action stop you from acquiring your dreams and goals when it comes to whatever business model you looking to pursue in 2022. If you need help with that, the smart move would be to find someone you know, like, and trust enough who you believe in that could help you on your journey to getting started and to growing a profitable business for yourself, regardless of what it is. And I'll see you in my next video.